Rajendra.
Hi, is it Surinder Sharma?
Yes, yes.
Hi.
Hi. So shall we start?
Yeah, you can start. Is anyone else joining?
I think one person can also join, but just we can wait for 5 minutes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Surinder, if you want to start, you can start. I'm not sure if anyone else is joining.
Okay, we can start. I'm sorry. So you are from India or
No, I live in USA.
okay? How many you have experience?
Yeah, I have more than 10 years of experience in SD and CRM. Currently, I'm managing the supply chain in one of the end client, and
Okay,
we are planning to implement either Hybris or Salesforce. We have not yet decided yet, but we are evaluating a product.
okay. So I have also around a 10-year experience and more than 6-year experience in Hybris platform. And as a trainer, I have around more than 5-year experience as a Hybris trainer. So
Okay,
I've done a lot of training as corporate training as well as online training.
okay. So typically you train in functional, or you train both functional and technical?
Both functional and technical, both we will cover in training.
Okay,
Functional first, actually during the training session we can see what is the theoretical concept, what is the module as a functionally, then we can develop and we can customize. Means how we can customize the application as per our customer requirement, right?
yeah,
So in Hybris models, there are a lot of modules are available in Hybris like B2B, B2C, telco, etc., etc., right? So we will cover in the B2C module. So Hybris training, it will take around 50 hours, 40 to 50 hours for complete our customize. In 50 hours we can customize a new application, right? And
okay,
there are some modules developed, complete customize all new functionality like all product detail page, listing page, and there are many pages as per our requirement we can create, right? So here is the modules.
okay,
So there are two modules basically in Hybris B2C. B2C like core module and commerce module. In core module, we will cover all core part using the Hybris platform. Means what is the Hybris, what is the configuration, data modeling, oh, sorry, all those configuration, right? Like here you can see warm up, setting up development environment, mean how we can set up the Hybris platform in our local machine. What is the meaning of custom extension? What is the type system? Means uh, if you need to create a new tables and relationship, so just we can use the type system. If you want to use the new attributes in a table, in existing table, or we want to create a new table, so this is a part of the type system, which is very important part of the Hybris. HSE, Hybris is providing there a lot of interface so that we can manage the data and we can test the query and we can test the memory and all our things is a part of the HSE. HMC, Hybris Management Console. According to HMC, you can see all data management like product, category, users, means all database data you can see in the HMC. So this is just like an interface so that we can delete data, we can add data, we can like update, and we can search data. So all those criteria are available in HMC.
okay,
Here is the impacts functionality in Hybris, so that how we can import data and export data using the different approach. So Hybris is providing a lot of approach like a manual approach, automatic approach, and means 3 approaches are available so that we can export the data, Hybris to file, and file to Hybris we can import. So all those approach we will see in the training session.
So
Cockpit framework. Yeah.
Go ahead. No, you are going to cover both B2C and B2B, right? I mean e-commerce.
No, I will cover the B2C, but almost technical part is the same, right? Means customization is the same concept, same almost same Java classes and JSP. Only for the functional area is something different in B2B, because B2B is a business to business and B2C is a business to consumer, right?
Yeah.
So I can explain what is the meaning of B2B and why we can use the B2B, but main focus on B2C module, complete B2C module.
Okay. So technically these are two different modules, or they use the same module, underlying module, or?
Yes. So here is the cockpit. So cockpit is just like an interface in Hybris. So there are many cockpits are available in Hybris so that we can manage the data. So if customer want to change the product details and category details, price, so all our things is a part of the product cockpit. Some other management tool like WCMS, Web Content Management System. So how we can change the data. So there is a different cockpit like CMS cockpit. So according to CMS cockpit, you can manage the content on a storefront. So I will show you, right? But currently we can cover the topics which topics we will cover in session. So many cockpits are available. Product cockpit, CMS cockpit, CS cockpit, admin cockpits. There are a lot of cockpits.
Okay.
There is some programming and service layer, this is completely technically. So how we can write a classes, all design patterns, DAO, service, facade, so all are things we can write as in Java class. So this is completely technically. Flexi search means how we can write a query. If you want to get data from database, so in Hybris term, we can call flexible search, right? So in flexible search, we can write a query as per our requirement. For example, we want to get all, based on the product code, we want to get the product data. So just like a select steps from product where code is this one. So here is some same SQL is almost same, only syntax is something different. But query all join, left join, right join, and all groupings is almost the same, 99%, only syntax is different. So we will see what is the different syntax in flexible search, right? There are many advanced service layer programming. Advanced service layer programming like what is the interceptor, application, how event and process engine, right? So all are things we will see in the advanced service layer programming. There is some security, means Hybris is providing a lot of security. So we will see based on the user account, principal, employee, customer, right? So this is a part of the security, how we can provide the new interface with different user ID and password. So we will see in the security.
Okay.
Now main thing is that catalog management. So catalog management, how we can manage the data in e-commerce. Basically, this is the main part of the e-commerce application, catalog. Catalog means if we have like for example we have 1 million millions of products. So how we can manage? So you know there are a lot of sites, Flipkart, Amazon. So if you are going to there are navigation bar, right? Menu. So based on the menu, for example, if you want to purchase the only electronics product, so just we can go to the electronics menu and we can select the electronics category, right? So there are hierarchy level of the category so that we can manage easily product based on the category, right? Web services, we can also write a web services, and actually Hybris is also providing REST web services related to the all models, means product, category, language, currency, all are things, right? So this is the part of the core module. So all those topics we will see as a functional as well as complete technically, means each module we can cover as a technically, means we can write a code.
Okay.
right? One example how we can achieve and how we can customize the existing functionality in the core module. Here in WCM, in commerce module. So in commerce module, we will select what is the commerce basis, right? Basics.
Mm-hmm.
So like a store locator and base store, and because without base store we can't sell any product, right? We can't provide any location for the store locator. So this is the main part of the website, which is base store. Complete WCMS, web content management system, how we can create the component, controller, JSP, right? So Hybris is providing a lot of existing component. So existing component we can also use, but as per our client requirement, if you want to customize a new component, so we can also do that. So this is also a part of our module. So in WCMS, we will cover everything, how we can create the page, components, templates, right? Email templates, and all our things is a part of the WCMS. And our Hybris module we will cover on the based on the accelerator module, because accelerator module can provide all reuse functionality, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that direct we can generate a custom code and we can use. So I will show you.
Okay.
SEO, search engine optimization, Solar search engine, hot folder. So there are many modules are available. So every modules we will cover. Solar search engine means how we can search the product. So we will also cover. Right. So basically this is our training modules, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, mm, okay. Between we can see.
So how many models do you have? Sales, services, e-com, and marketing?
There are actually Hybris is providing a lot of modules, right? Sales, financial, telco, B2B, B2C,
Okay.
marketing, digital. So there are a lot of topics. Means almost in e-commerce application now Hybris is providing all solutions.
Hmm.
There are a lot of integration with ERP, data hub integration. Uh, Currently, I'm working in a heritage project, right, from
Okay.
Canada.
Mm-hmm.
I'm working in SAP, so now there are a lot of integration in heritage, like Salesforce integration, Correlator integration, Mailchimp integration, right?
Mm-hmm.
So RKL integration. There are a lot of integrations implemented in our current application. So we are already developing.
Oh.
So here first we can see what is the Hybris, right? What is the features and concept in Hybris? Architecture of the Hybris multi-channel suites, Hybris requirement if you are going to develop a Hybris application. So what is the system configuration, so that we can work on that. Like here, if you are using the Hybris platform, it's a very fast development, because all code is available. Just we can create a custom code and we can execute the application. If there are some different uh, functionality according to the customer, so we can customize the application, right? Hybris is providing multi-channel concept, which is multi-currency, multi-language, and multi-website. Means one instance, only one instance can provide multi-things. So one instance can provide only one, like if you want to run 5 country-based application, means 5 websites. So single instance can run. So I will show you.
Okay.
As per our requirement, for example, one website we want to display in the 10 languages. So it is also possible, right? So one product we can see for the different language as per our selector language, right? And catalog management. So according to catalog management, we can assign the product. For example, we have 2 types of the product, like one product is related to the electronics and another product is related to the apparel, right? So both product is different. So where it should be assigned based on category. Means if our electronics product, it should be assigned into the electronics category, and apparel, it should be assigned into the apparel category, right? So this is complete a categorization part based on the category, which is very easy in Hybris. We don't need to do any code changes. We have all models, relations are available, just we can assign. Hybris can provide, there are some product areas: platform, content, commerce, and channel. So platform is the main part of the Hybris, so that all those configurations like Tomcat configuration or database configuration and email configuration, so there are a lot of things, are configuration are available in platform folder. Content means how we can manage the content, like WCMS component and all of things, right? So here you can see. Platform, this area consists of a standard set of extensions that provide the main functionality of a Hybris installation. So platform, this is a very important part of the Hybris. Without platform, we can't do anything. So I am talking about like this one.
Okay.
So for example, this is our website, Hybris platform. So basically, this is the Hybris platform, Hybris Commerce Suite 6.0.0.3, which is the latest version, right? This is complete. This is called a product, Hybris product, combination of all those folders. Main folder is Hybris. If you download the Hybris, those folder will not be available, because during the setup, this folder is automatically created, right? Only you can find the bin, and after bin you can find this one. So this is called a complete Hybris platform structure, right? And accelerator, add-on, ATD test, back office channel. This is called the extension in Hybris. Extension means just like a module, right? Main part is the platform here. In this platform, all libraries which is required for the Hybris platform, Spring integration, database integration, or server integration, everything is a part of the platform folder, right? Which is very important. Without platform, we can't do it. As per our requirement, for example, we want to use like voucher module, promotion module, B2B module, B2C module. So all those extensions are available in this folder, right? So basically, if you are going to the accelerator module, there are many extensions are available. So first we need to understand what is the meaning of accelerator CMS, accelerator facade, right? Then you can identify which extension you want to require. Otherwise, we don't need to require all extensions. If you are using the B2C, so around 15 to 20 extensions we need to require. But here you can see many extensions. See, in this extension, this is a 68 extension, right? Because here is the many module extension: China, financial, accelerator, telco, B2B, B2C. So basically this is the combination of all modules. But as per our requirement, we can use. If you are using the B2C, so only B2C extension we can use.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the Hybris platform structure. But if we are going to customize, means new application. So first of things we need to create the custom folder
Mhm.
because this is our code. Here we can change anything. This is our complete B2C module.
Mhm.
So all those controller, JSP, CSS, JS, everything is a part of in training folder.
Okay. So C4C is part of Hybris, or is it a separate product which will be which can be
It's a part,
integrated?
yeah, actually it's a part of C4C is the Hybris, but it's a separate extension,
Mm.
right? All those extensions, like if you want to connect with SAP Hybris, right? So here you can see all those configuration, commerce content, ext integration, right?
Mhm.
C4C, right? So this is the
Yeah.
separate extension. If your requirement, if you want to integrate with C4C customer, so this extension you need to inject,
Mm.
right? So this is the all classes related to the C4C. If you want to like ERP, SAP, so all those extensions here, right? Synchronize pricing, synchronize OM, right? Core. If you are going to the core, all data hub, SAP invoice add-on, invoice bowl, facade, services. So all those extensions are available in Hybris.
Mm.
So this is a separate extension, like EXT integration.
Okay. So you will also cover integration point with either ECC or S/4HANA, right? Just at least the topics.
No, we will not cover the any integration in our training, right?
Okay.
We will cover complete a core module. I will share the module PDF file, right?
Okay. Okay.
But I can explain how we can integrate and where we want to inject during the development, right?
Mhm.
So this is the HMC. So this is the predefined. I haven't. This is complete out of the box, right? Which is running. If
Mhm.
you install the default Hybris platform, it should be look like, right?
Okay.
Here you can see the catalog,
Mhm.
and this is the HMC. And now,
So this is the one where the usually functional consultants work most of the time.
yes, yes. But now current scenario HMC is going to removed. Now is coming back office, right? So
Oh, okay.
according to back office, business user can handle everything.
Mhm.
Okay, I actually done. So if you want to see the website,
Okay.
there are default three websites in B2C: apparel, D, UK, electronics, and power tools is a part of the B2B. So if you are installed default Hybris, you can see three websites in B2C and one website in B2B. So electronics is the default website.
Okay.
So this is the electronics website in 6th version. So this is the home page. In home page, you can see like header section and footer section. And this is the navigation bar. So this is called the catalog actually, right? So in catalog, for example, I want to search only for the Sony products. So Sony is a category, right? Actually, brand is also a category, but this is a part of the catalog. So when you click on the Sony, you can see only Sony products, right? Here, this is only for Sony products. All those search criteria are available, like you can see, sort by category, sort by price, sort by color, sort by lens type, right? Sort by megapixels. So this is the facets, and this page is a part of the Solar search engine. So this, all those data is not coming from database, it's coming from Solar search engine indexer, right? All common features are available in Hybris like pagination, search criteria like ascending order, descending order, right? All those search criteria are available. So this is the product listing page. When you click on the product link, so you can see the product details. So about this product, you can see complete description about this product, right? See here. What is the specification, technical details, memory, display. So this is complete a part of data. This is a story in the database. Means detailed page data is coming from query, but listing page is coming from search engine indexer. Right. All those, when you click on this here, you can see the large image, the small image, review. So you can also provide the like a review about this product, right? And you can also see. So this is the complete e-commerce application. Same thing, you can go to the like add to cart and you can generate the order, right? When you add to cart, click on this. So this is the cart page. In cart page, you can also update the quantity and everything you can see. Taxes and something like that, checkout, continue shopping, right? Here, location. Sorry. Sorry. So based on the pin code or city, you can also search. So this is the store locator. It's out of the box, but we can also customize as per our requirement, right? All sign up and login and all pages are available. So we don't need to create from scratch, right? Just we can use the existing. So this is out of the box, but if you are going to create a new application, all those things like returning customer, create an account, everything will be available in our project. Because same code we can use in our custom folder. Right. So we don't need to require like we can start from new JSP and controllers, and we need to write all those things, how we can log in and generate the create a new customer. We don't need to require anything. Everything is available as per our design. Means if you want to change the color and maybe text structure or maybe label, we can change in CSS and JS. Here you can search the product like Sony. So this is coming from Solar. So basically two pages are in Solar. One is product listing page and other is search page. So this is the search page.
Okay.
This is the search page. This is also coming from Solar search engine. And all here you can also see, for example, I am writing some wrong, right? This is the wrong spelling, right? So just like a Google Concepts.
Okay.
Did you mean Sony? So this is also available in Hybris.
Okay.
The spelling check and suggestions, so a lot of things in Hybris, right? When you select this one, so this is the product listing page. Same thing, we can also create a new page. For example, I want to create a new page here, testing. So see 404, because testing is not available right now. Right? Customer want to create 10 pages like a static page, and they want to provide some content on the page wise, like contact us, yeah, maybe about the company, something like that. So here it's not a part of the code customization. It's a part of the cockpit. So which cockpit we can use? CMS cockpit. So if you open the CMS cockpit, you can manage the page and all content and all menu and components, everything you can manage. Admin. So this is the cockpit framework, right? So this is only for the content management cockpit. Same thing like that, there are a lot of cockpit product. If you want to manage the product, so product cockpit, customer service cockpit is different, right? So if you have see here 4 websites: electronics, power tool, and apparel. You can do. So I want to create a new page like a test page. So here is the option: create an item, content page. Any template we can use, and here we can provide the label test. And what should be your label? So /test. So this /test we can pass in the URL, right? So this is, here you can see the template structure. Template structure means this is all top site logo and header, everything is available. Because just we want to pass the content, not for the header section and footer section, because header and footer section is a part of the template, right? So just we can approve, and we can see here test. See, test is coming. There is no 404, right? But content is not coming. So if you want to put the content, so direct we can drop the component, like here, any component like paragraph component, image component, as per your requirement we can drop like paragraph component. Create. So here, this is the component. So one component you can assign for the many pages that you want to use the component. Okay. So in this component we can pass the content as per our requirement. So like see here, like this is the English paragraph component. See, right? But now I want to see same application, same website, right? I want to provide a different language. For example, see, there are 4 languages which is out of the box. When you select, everything is changed. All menu, everything, all content has been changed. not our content. Why? Because we have not provided in this language. We have only provided in the EN language, right?
Mhm.
But you can see here, this is the English, Dutch, right?
Mhm.
So this is called a multi-language. So everything is
Okay.
coming in Chinese. So
Mhm.
for example, if you want to provide in the Chinese or maybe German, so just here is the all localization. Click on the globe icon, and now this is the EN. EN we have already provided. Same thing if you want to provide in the German, Dutch. So here, right,
Mhm.
and now come on the site. See, so when you select the language, your content is changed. This is
Okay.
English, English, right? So this is a part of the localization.
Okay.
Same thing like that. If you are going to the like here, so USD currently our currency is it's displaying the dollar, right? But I want to change the currency JPY. See, everything is changed.
Mhm.
Our currency symbol is changed as well as our price is changed. So this is defined based on the product price row, because one product can contain many prices based on the currency, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
So if you want to see, go to the HMC and here is the product. Search and any products you can open. So this is the product data, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Price. So actually just we can search. This is the product code. We can search. Price. So there are two prices row, right? One
Mhm.
for currency, which is JPY, and other is USD. So here
Okay.
you can change like 333 in USD, and here is 111 in JPY.
Okay.
Save. So you can see your price has been changed, right?
Mhm.
So we have a many approach. So this is a part of the HMC. Same thing like that. We have a other cockpit, which is product cockpit. So according to product cockpit, you can also manage the price and data, everything.
Oh, okay.
Right. Now, so here, here you can see the architecture, right?
Okay. Mhm.
So this is the Hybris platform, complete Hybris platform, which is Hybris package, Hybris platform, and this is the custom functionality so that we can
Okay.
customize the application. Default server is Apache Tomcat, which is inbuilt. We don't need to install the separately in our system. So Hybris
Okay.
platform can contain the Tomcat Apache. But if you want to configure to other server, you can use like WebLogic, WebSphere, Oracle, JBoss. You can configure, right? This is
Mhm.
the only for configuration in properties file.
Okay.
Default database is the HSQL. HSQL is a very lightweighted database. So
Mhm.
Hybris is using HSQL. But as per our requirement, if you want to connect with the Oracle database, so we need to configure. And
Okay.
it's a very easy to configuration. just we can pass the URL, user ID, password, right? And all those configuration you can find in platform folder. In platform. Here is the project.properties file. For example, URL. See, here is the default database is HSQL. There are many database configurations are available. For example, MySQL. This is the MySQL configuration. SQL server configuration, just you can uncomment, right? And MySQL, SQL, HANA, right? Here you can see the HANA database. You can also provide just like a what is the host name, what is the user ID and password. So we don't need to change any coding structure. Just we can uncomment and we can pass the user ID and password. So automatically it will be connect to the HANA database, right? HANA, Oracle, as per your requirement. So this is the complete configuration in email, but we can't change anything here because this is the platform. Why? Because currently we are working on the 6th version. After sometimes if you want to upgrade the system, our code will be lost. Okay, so we can change the different file. So Hybris is providing different file which is config folder. In config folder we have a local.properties file. So in local.properties file, all new configuration, all custom configuration we can provide in this local.properties file. So our code is safe. If you need to upgrade the system, so our code will not be lost, right?
Yeah.
For example, I generate the order, right? Maybe I have already signed up the user, like just I need to sign up here, please. Right, so I have already logged in, and here is the personal detail. Address book. I want to add a new address. I think India is not available. So this is our address, right? But for example, we have already generated the order, and suppose sometimes this is our billing address, shipping address, right? And I have no any access to the website, but I want to change the address. So what we need to do? First, we can call to the customer care, right? And customer care can change the address. So Hybris is providing other cockpit, which is CS cockpit. CS cockpit.
CS is our customer service?
Yes.
Okay.
So first, customer can call to the customer care, and here is all those in column something like, so customer care agent can find your customer. Sorry.
Okay.
Right. So for example, this is a customer detail, right? Select. And this cockpit can provide all addresses here. See, last name. So this agent can change your address, delete your address, add a new address, everything, right? As well as if you want to provide, like, just I want to purchase this product, so just you can tell to agent this is the product code, like for example Sony. Search. I think product code will do. Right. So all those product is coming here.
Okay.
So like this one. So based on the search criteria, agent can also add to product. This is the cart, right? Same thing. How many quantity you want to require? Like, sorry. So basically in cockpit, agent can do anything, right? Update your address, delete your address, and if you generate the order, you can also see the order here. But we have not created an order. So related to the order details, you can see the shipping address, billing address. Right. And for example, you have some complaint to the agent, right? So agent can also create the ticket.
Okay.
So new ticket here. For example, we have complaint technical telephone call. What is the medium of telephone? Instance message, ticket message, right? So for telephone call and like address change.
Okay.
Next. So this agent can also assign to the different agent for the approval process, because all agent have a no approval process. Just some agent can create a ticket, right? So you can also this is the complaint and something other option. What is the priority? It's a medium high, region update or something like that. Next. And here you can select which agent you want to assign, right? So for example, fraud agent. I want to relate this query is related to the fraud. So just we can assign to the fraud, right? So when fraud agent is open the CS cockpit, so they can see the query right here. Telephone call region is update, address update, something like that. So this is a complete part of the ticket system. So you can also assign to the agent group, cancel the ticket, create a customer emails, right? So when you update the tickets, all email is already out of the box is implemented. If your email is configuration, if your ticket is created, you can receive the email. If ticket is updated, you can receive the email, right? So all those workflow is already implemented in Hybris.
Okay.
Right. So we have many cockpits. So just one product cockpit we can also cover in our training. This cockpit we also cover, and we can also customize the cockpit. Customize means what? Customer have a requirement. Customer want to add more than 2 fields here. Name, currently we are looking like title and name. Customer want to see the customer ID. Like see here is customer ID is coming, but it should be editable. Yeah, maybe email ID. Email ID is also contact a different ID like any other attributes customer want to display here, which is the text box area, right? So we can also customize. In our training session, I can also explain how we can customize the cockpit.
Okay.
and as well as how we can create the new cockpit. For example, I want to create the test cockpit.
Mhm.
We can also do that. Currently test cockpit is not available because we have not created right now. So we can also create a new cockpit.
Okay.
So this is a part of our training, right?
Yeah.
And I will share this document. All those
Okay.
modules we will cover, right?
Yeah.
So that's from my side. If
Okay.
you have
Yeah.
any
Great. I
queries,
think.
you can ask me. And here, just a second, let me check. This is the electronics website, right?
Mhm.
But currently we have only one instance. This is the electronics website. But now our requirement is I want to open the other website.
Mhm.
And this is not electronics, it's a apparel site equal to just let me check. This is the apparel site, right?
Mhm.
Here you can see the only apparel products. Same server, same
Okay.
code. Means there is no any many controllers or many JSP are available. Same
Mhm.
JSP, only CSS is something different,
Okay.
right? Brand here is some product is different, right?
Mhm.
So this is C. Here is also design is different. In our electronics, it was the list. Here is the thumbnail, right?
Mhm.
So here you can see the product, any accessories, belts, as well as you can also see the variant products.
Mhm.
Means this is two colors. One is the red color and one is the black color, blue color, right?
Mhm.
So this is called a variant product. So this is coming in the UK, which is English language. Same website is implemented in D.
Okay. Yeah.
Site equal to where see this is the D. Oh sorry.
Oh. Oh.
Now market and streetwear, right? So
Okay.
language is changed
Mhm.
because based on our URL, D is representing Dutch, UK is
Mhm.
representing just like a UK, right? UK language.
Mhm. Yeah.
Site is same, product is same, only languages is different. Everything you can see in this Dutch language
Mhm. Yeah.
related to the apparel. So same thing like that, as per our requirement, we can create a many type of language.
Okay.
So language you can see here. You can also add a new languages. Go to the
Mhm.
internationalization, and here is many languages are available, right?
Yeah.
And if you are going to the site, for example, sorry, where we can set the default language, like if site is hit a URL, it should be open in the English only, right? But
Mhm.
we have a many languages like Chinese, Japanese, or Dutch languages. So everything is configured in this base store
Okay.
here. So if we're going to the base store, so we have a electronic base store. Here you can see this is the location. Location means it's a part of the store finder. All those
Mhm.
locations are available here.
Okay.
So here you can see default currency is USD, default language is English,
Mhm.
right? And how many currencies are here? Two currencies, JPY, USD, but default is
English.
default is USD, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to add more than one languages, you can add here.
Mhm. Okay.
And we can also customize the HMC. This interface we can also customize. For example, we want to create like in this base store, I want to add a new attribute. Here I want to add a new attribute like any find location, for example. So we
Mhm.
can also customize the HMC because
Oh,
this is a part of the data modeling,
okay.
right? So this is a part of the data modeling. So how we can create a new attribute and how we can add a new item here. We can also
Mhm.
do that
Okay.
because this is the main part of the Hybris. So
Mhm.
how we can create the schema. So basically this is a part of the XML. So if you are going to the extension here like custom, it will be look like this one. Right. So here in this file we can create a type system. So apparel is a table name. Table name is this one. Here is no table name. I think it's a parent table name. But here we can create a new table, new attribute. We can extend the existing model to new model, right? So
Mhm.
everything we can change here. So this is complete a item type concept so that we can create the table and attribute of the table, what is the relationship, enum type, right? Collection type. So everything we can see. And during the session, I will share the document with you so that you can do the practice.
Okay.
So all modules documents I have already created here, right? So all
Okay.
those documents I will share with you so that you can do the practice. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
There are all HMC, HSC components, controllers, and as well as code, right?
Mhm.
So that's it.
Okay. Great. I think, yeah, that's a great information.
Okay.
I will talk to Naveen also, and maybe we can decide on the timings and other things.
Okay. Okay, very nice. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Surendra.
Bye.
Bye.